Go! What's happening? Please! No way! Get me poured out! Let me get naked! I'm gonna help you! Shit! Help me! Damn it! Let me try! I need to shut this shit off! I'm coming! What's happening? What's happening? Oh, no. Here, I'll get the access. Go! 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 Shit! Come here! Why are they doing this to me? Why is this happening? It's coming from the ceiling! Help! Chet! Go, Chet! You get that little one. What little one spot right here coming down? Oh my god! Get your laps off, you fucking idiot! Are they not noticing this? My whole apartment's gonna fly! Shut your shit up! Help! Shit! Magnets! Magnets! What are you doing? Help, help. What's happening? Oh my god, I'm all wet! Turn off your water! You with dirty water! Are you getting on me? Shit! Help, Shit! What's happening? Ah! Get on my toothbrush! What are you doing? I'm running out of space. Why isn't Chet running? He's home. He doesn't just stay here to walk, does he? What do I do? What the hell am I supposed to be doing right now? Is there anything I can be doing to keep my business? What is their feet in this? We're gonna be out! It's all wet! Help, Chet! It's raining. Oh my god! It's coming out! Come on! What's happening to the world? Help us! Help us! We need to call Roto-Rooter! Cut! Get out! It's warm though. Yeah, it's a shower! Get the fucking hurry! I'm trying to move out? I gotta move back to Big Lake? What do I do about college tomorrow?
Did I go right up there and knock on the door?
Yes!
What did nobody tell him?
It's fine. It's fine. No, it's not fine. I don't know what to do.
Wait, what house is it?
God loves me.
I just look around the door and be like,
Excuse me? Is there any... I'm going. I'll be back. Okay. I'll be here. Trying to fill this bucket up. Trying to shit up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Get it wet! What the hell? Ah! happening? This bathtub's coming out on me. Somebody's taking a bath on me. Excuse me! You're leaking! Please help! Nobody understands. Where's my cell phone? Oh no, I can't see anything. I'm wet. Please help. Is this person gonna fall through the roof? I don't know. I'm scared. Are they gonna fall on me? Call 911! Do something! Fine. Call 911. What do I do? Put it down! Put it down! We need to move! Help! Fall in here! Help! Go bang on their door! I did! That's what I was doing! Nobody's in the apartment. People to go! Huh? What? What? We don't leave these people! Get out! They take such long showers! Did you not hear that? Oh, they can beat it down. I really need to go to the potty. Are you gonna beat on myself? It'll be alright. On myself. Where's maintenance? My whole apartment's gonna be flooded. Are y'all feeling so? No, but I'm not. Help. Help. What do I do? Hey! We're showering! Outside! Where's my cell? What? Where's my cell? On the bed! Hey, look out! Go up there and bang on that door! Ruined all of our toilet paper. I know. Even this wire's disgusting. I know it's on my body. Still showering. It's been like an hour. Oh my gosh. Can somebody help me? Nobody's helping me. They having sex in the shower? I don't know. I hope not. Am I getting steaming on me? Please. Ah! Help me. Help me. I'm gonna beat on something. I know. You said the person upstairs, their water busted. They're not even taking a shower. Are they gonna fall on my head? I don't feel like I should stand here. There's water leaking in my laundry room too. Should we ask the man next door? I don't even know if he's home. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god.